Dates, very nutritious, and there's a lot of health benefits you can get if you will eat dates every day. It's so sweet. Oh my god. So sweet like
We are here in the dates plantation here in Sakaka region. Guys, this is really a very different or distinct area. It's because in the Philippines we don't have dates. But here there's a lot of dates here. This is a plantation of dates. And it's really great. There's a lot of dates here. And it's already ripe dates. There's very... It's plantation of dates. Look at that. The dates. Before it turns ripe, before it's ripened, I mean, the color is like that, and then it will turn to purplish. There's a lot of, it's bountiful. And there's also alongside there's the wild grapes. This is the wild grapes. Wild grapes, guys. It is hard. This one is hard, but this one it's really sweet with this. But you know what? I don't like to eat. I don't like the taste. It's hard for me to eat that because there's a different taste. I am not yet get used to it. The taste I not yet get to it. Yeah, so let's try to go there near the area. Let's try to go there. There's our dwarf dates. Yeah, this is the fig tree. We have already dates in the Philippines, but that was a wild one found in Laguna area, right, Kuya? In Laguna. Batangas. And now it's here, it's within me. Okay. So it's here. It's really near from where I am standing. The bunch, or what we call the pumpong, no? The bunch of Sparrow, something like that. So when it turns to ripe, it will. It looks like smooth one, but when it becomes ripened, it turns to wrinkle. It will turns to like this wrinkles, and you cannot pull it out directly. But when it is ripened, you can pull it like that way. All right, look at that. So guys, that's for now. So you can definitely figure it out when it is ripe already or it's unripe already. It's of course the green one. It's not yet, it's unripe, but it turns to red, it's not ripe, but it turns to brown and it turns to wrinkle part, so that's already ready to eat. So nice, guys. Look at these people. This is Kuya William. It's really nice and so really amazing. I don't even imagine that I have reached this plantation of dates, you know, and it's really amazing and awesome to know that it's really different from our place. It's because our place doesn't have the dates. They don't have anything to, but it's really good about it. So guys, I'll go back from our cars. So guys, thank you so much for your for being with me to this tour in date. So guys, see you the next time. So if so happen that you are not yet connected to my channel, so please hit the bell button so you'll be updated on my next video. So bye for now. Bye for the dates plantation. Bye bye.
Hello guys, I am here in farm. Let's tour on the farm. So there's a lot of fruits here. There are dates. This is dates. This is also the fig tree. This is the fig tree. No, fig fruit. This is the dates also. So let's check. Let's take a look. So this is the plantation of the dates. So as you can see, this is the dates. This is the olive tree. Main source dates like this ones. So we'll try to eat